The Integrated Masters in Equine Veterinary Physiotherapy course is designed for students who want to turn a passion for horses into a professional clinical career. Across 4 years during this programme, students build strong foundations in equine science, anatomy, biomechanics, injury and rehabilitation, while developing hands-on physiotherapy skills from the very start. This means you're not just learning theory, you're applying it in a real practical setting with horses. What makes ARU Writtle unique is our immersive equine campus. Students learn using specialist rehabilitation equipment, work with horses on site and even on external yards, and are taught by experienced practicing veterinary physiotherapy clinicians who are actively working in the industry. We are incredibly lucky with the equine facilities we have here at ARU Writtle. We've got housing for over 60 to 70 horses. We've got loads of different stabling, many different teaching facilities.
So studying at Writtle campus is very versatile. I know one of the things I've really enjoyed about studying here is going to the external yards. It means that even though we get experience here, we're getting experience in the real industry. So we're going over to Newmarket and Shadwell's to then see how the bigger corporations work in the racing industry. So it kind of gives you a bit of a dive into every little aspect that you could possibly go into after you graduated.
This course is pending dual accreditation by both RAMP and AHPR due to the exciting new development of this course. Accreditation is important for our students to ensure they're recognised within industry, maintain high standards and enhances their employability. The course is taught by a mix of highly experienced equine physiotherapists, vets and academic lecturers. They are not just experts on paper, they are actively working in the equine industry, so everything we teach is relevant and up to date. Students connect with industry professionals throughout their course, such as guest speakers from the multidisciplinary team, live demonstrations, external trips and access and partnerships with external yards and equine businesses. Graduates are set up for a career in equine physiotherapy, working from leisure horses to top-level competition animals. This course really focuses on producing skilled, professional and evidence-based practitioners who are ready to just step into the industry. This degree opens the door for a huge range of opportunities, from working in veterinary practices and referral hospitals to running your own business, supporting elite sports horses or even moving into research, teaching or further postgraduate study. If you're looking for a course that's hands-on, industry-focused and built around real equine practice, we would love to welcome you here at ARU Writtle.